Good morning, students. Today we are going to study beneficial fungi, which is the topic of microorganisms. Listen to class 8 science. We are going to study about the benefits with a useful fungus. How are fungus useful to us? So as it is clear from the picture, you are able to see that you are able to see a picture of a cake, a dosa, bread, and some medicines, antibiotics. So these fungus, these all are made up with the help of certain fungi. So fungus is useful, very useful in many bakery products. In many bakery products, these bread, cake, these are bakery products. Yeast, which we have learnt about yesterday. Yeast is used in bakeries to make bread and cakes. And when we make bread and cake or any other such thing, a little amount of yeast with a little sugar and warm water is mixed with the flour and kept in a warm place. The presence of sugar and warmth increases or rapidify growth of the yeast cell. And during the process of respiration of yeast cells, they break down sugar and release carbon dioxide. Bubbles of CO2 fill in the dough and make it rise. As a result, when baked, the bread and cake becomes light, soft and spongy. They become light, soft and spongy. They are also used in making of many of the fermented food products. You see dosa. You see the picture of dosa. How is dosa made? Dosa, idli, they all are made by fermenting, by fermentation of rice and dal. We mix rice and dal and keep it for some time, keep it overnight. And what happens? Fermentation, the process of fermentation takes place and the dough rises up and soft and spongy dosa and idlis are also made. The process of conversion of sugars into alcohol is known as fermentation, and this fermentation is a process which is used in the making of spirit, vinegar, cheese, acetic acid. They all are made with the help of this fermentation. And some bacteria such as Azotobacter also helps in this process. Now in the manufacturing of beverages, what are beverages? The drinks which we drink. So yeast is used in industrial production of beer, wine, and molasses, formation of potatoes, corn, cereals, and molasses from ethyl alcohol. What happened when we ferment potatoes, corns, or cereals? They convert into ethyl alcohol. Wine is also prepared by the fermentation of grapes and beer. Okay, and many fungus are used as food items such as mushrooms. I told you in the last class that some varieties of mushroom are edible. So we can say that they are also used as a food product. Now in the preparation of medicines also they are used. See the antibiotics. Certain fungus are utilized for preparing antibiotics. Okay, and penicillin. Penicillin is a fungus. Penicillin is a fungus which is formed by Penicillium notam. Penicillin is widely used to cure many microbial diseases. Many diseases caused by microbes are cured with the help of penicillin. And erythromycin, tetracycline, and all these antibiotics are there which are made with the help of bacteria and fungus. Now, these fungus also help to maintain balance in nature. They have an ability to help in recycling of nutrients. What happens? Certain fungus along with bacteria convert dead tissues of plants and animals into simple substances. In this way, the nutrients are recycled, maintaining a balance in nature. So these were the useful or beneficial uses of fungi. Now, they have some harmful uses also, harmful effects also, not uses, harmful effects also. What are the harmful effects? They cause spoilage of food and other useful items. They spoil food and other useful items, leather, paper, paint, fruits, fruit juices. They get ferment and they get spoiled by the action of certain fungus. Now fungus causes diseases also. Common fungal disease in plants are black rust of wheat, and blight of potato. Potato में blight, the disease of potato is known as blight of potato, and rust of wheat. It is also known as wheat. This disease is caused in wheat. And in human beings also, fungus spread many diseases such as ringworm, athlete's foot. They causes these diseases. So fungus has, all the microbes have both beneficial and harmful effect. In this class, we have studied about the beneficial and harmful effects of fungus. In the next class, we'll study how to prepare curd. We'll do an activity and we'll study how to prepare curd. Thank you and have a nice day.